After the India-US trade deal, one sector keeps coming up again and again: textiles and manufacturing. Some reports say exports could double. Is this hype or is something structurally changing? This isn't hype, but it's also not instant. Trade deals create export booms overnight. They create export engines over time. Understand till the end to know how this works. Textiles are special for three reasons: labor intensive, scalable, and globally competitive. One large order creates factory expansion, hiring, and logistics demand. That's why governments focus here. So, what does the India-US deal is for textile? This deal improves market access, tariff predictability, and long-term order visibility. This doesn't mean price wars. It means US buyers facing multi-year orders. Exports grow when buyers feel safe, not when prices are cheap. Textile hubs already exist. What was missing was consistent demand, predictable trade routes. With trade clarity, existing capacity becomes profitable again. That's how exports double, not by building new factories overnight. So, this isn't just about garments. Manufacturing spillovers include auto component, industrial goods, electronics assembly. Once supply chains trust a country, they expand horizontally. Now, why it's a job slowly? Hiring happens after order confirmation, visibility, and capacity utilization rises. That's why job data lags the trade deals, but when it comes, it's broad based. So, what can go wrong? This is not automatic. Execution matters. Logistics efficiency, power and infrastructure, labor productivity. Trade deals open doors. Competitiveness decides how wide. So, what should the investors and viewers? We should watch the export order growth, capex announcement, hiring trends, the manufacturing pump. Please confirm whether the engine is starting or not. Trade deals don't announce export success. They quietly decide sectors get the chance to scale.